Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of variation table. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to find the value of k to make sure that they have three real roots. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to do, we need to put the value of k go to the right, and now we just have only s to the power of 3 minus 3s squared plus 6s equals to negative k. So for this one in here, I will put about y. This one I will put about d. Now let's consider about y equals to s to the power of 3 minus 3s squared plus 6s. The first thing we need to do, we need to find first the derivative of y. This one, we have 3s squared. So we just apply the formula in here. So if we do first the derivative of this one, so number 3 I will put in here, number 3 I will put in here, 3 minus 1 we have number 2. This one we have 2s. This one we have number 1. So we simplify. And now we need to find the critical points. So this one equals to number 0. So we find the solution of this equation. So we have s equals to 1 plus I and 1 minus I. We see that they are the complex numbers, so they are not the real root. So that means in this situation, we see that this number 3 in here is greater than number 0. That means this is about positive, and if we do factorization by number 3, we see that number 2 we can put 1 plus 1. And this one in here we can do about identities. So we know that s minus 1 with the power 2, this is about even power. So they always provide the positive numbers. So that means everything in here is always greater than, because we have positive number 1, greater than or equals to number 1, or does it greater than number 0, because this is about greater than or equal to number 0. Now we need to add more positive number 1, that's why it's greater than or equals to number 1. So we can use about variation table. So in this situation we can put like this. So we know that they always about positive number in here. So we just put about d equals to negative k. So for example, we have the red line represent about d. So because these they always one intersection for the graph of y, that means they just have only one real root, because k they just provide the strength like. That means we only have only one real root. Not three root. This is the end. Thank you for watching.